Forget expensive supplements. Forget protein powders that taste like chalk. If you're over 50 and trying to maintain muscle strength, what if the real answer has been hiding in your kitchen all along? In this video, we'll reveal a powerful, affordable food that supports muscle strength, bone health, and overall energy, without the synthetic additives. Backed by research, supported by tradition, and perfect for your aging body, this might be the game changer your daily meals have been missing. Let's get into it. Before we talk about food, let's talk about why muscle strength matters more than ever after 50. As we age, something called sarcopenia begins to set in. That's the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, and it starts quietly, even if you're still active. You might feel a little weaker getting out of bed. You might tire more easily when walking upstairs. Your balance might not be what it used to be. But here's the truth. Muscle isn't just about mobility. It's your body's engine. Muscle tissue protects your joints, burns calories, supports your metabolism, and even helps regulate blood sugar. And when you lose it, everything becomes harder, from opening jars to avoiding falls. That's why maintaining muscle is not about vanity. It's about independence, longevity, and quality of life. So what can you do? You need two things: regular movement and the right fuel. And that brings us to one of the most powerful, underrated foods on the planet. Drum roll. Eggs. Yes, simple, whole eggs, especially the yolks, are one of the most complete sources of natural nutrition for muscle maintenance. And no, we're not talking about just egg whites like bodybuilders used to do. We're talking about the whole egg, yolk and all. Eggs are one of the few foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks your body uses to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Just one large egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein. Bioavailable and easy to absorb, especially for older adults. But that's not all. Egg yolks also provide choline, which supports nerve function and muscle control, vitamin D, which helps preserve bone mass and prevent falls, B12, vital for energy and red blood cell production, healthy fats, which help regulate hormones tied to muscle health. And guess what? Eggs are often easier to digest than protein powders and come without the added fillers, sugars, or artificial flavors. This is where many people over 50 pause. You've probably heard that eggs raise cholesterol. But let's clear this up with the latest science. Recent studies have shown that for most people, eating whole eggs does not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. The cholesterol found in food doesn't automatically become cholesterol in your blood. In fact, eggs may even raise your HDL, the good cholesterol that supports heart health. Of course, if you have a specific medical condition like familial hypercholesterolemia, talk to your doctor. But for the majority of healthy adults, eggs are not only safe, they're beneficial. Let's compare. Most protein powders are ultra-processed. They're often stripped of fiber, fat, or any natural nutrients, and rely on artificial sweeteners and additives to improve taste and shelf life. Plus, they can be expensive, often costing several dollars per serving. Eggs, on the other hand? They're affordable, easy to cook in multiple ways, full of real vitamins and minerals, and have no added chemicals. They offer highly bioavailable protein your body can actually use. And, importantly, for seniors, egg protein helps with satiety, which means you're less likely to experience cravings or blood sugar dips between meals. Most healthy adults can safely consume 1 to 2 whole eggs per day as part of a balanced diet. Pairing your eggs with vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, or tomatoes gives you a nutritional powerhouse for breakfast or lunch. Add some olive oil, avocado slices, or a sprinkle of flax seeds for additional healthy fats and fiber. And if you're watching calories, 1 egg contains just around 70 calories, making it nutrient-dense and calorie-smart. Don't skip the yolk. That's where most of the nutrients live. Avoid overcooking, because high heat can damage some nutrients. Soft-boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled eggs are great options. Source matters, so choose pasture-raised or organic eggs when possible. They tend to have higher omega-3 content and better nutrient profiles. Pair with vitamin C, since your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen, which supports skin, joints, and muscle tissue. Think eggs with bell peppers or oranges on the side. While eggs are a superstar, they're part of a bigger picture. Here are some other natural foods that work synergistically to preserve muscle after 50. Greek yogurt, which is packed with protein and probiotics. Leafy greens, rich in magnesium and potassium. Lentils and beans, which are plant-based proteins with fiber. Nuts and seeds, providing healthy fats and amino acids. Salmon or sardines, since omega-3s fight inflammation and support muscle repair. Bone broth, rich in collagen and minerals. And cottage cheese, which contains casein, a slow-digesting protein ideal for overnight muscle repair. Think of eggs as the anchor, and these other foods as the supporting cast. Let's also highlight what not to do when trying to maintain muscle. Skipping protein at breakfast. Your muscles need fuel early in the day, not just at dinner. Relying only on shakes, because you need real food for long-term strength and health. Avoiding fats, since healthy fats help hormone balance and nutrient absorption. Being sedentary, food helps, but movement is the signal that tells your body to grow and maintain muscle. Even light resistance exercises, walking or yoga can make a big difference, especially when combined with protein-rich meals. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. They're one of the simplest, most powerful tools in your kitchen to protect your body as you age. They support muscle strength. They provide brain and bone benefits. They're affordable, versatile, and easy to digest. And when you focus on natural, nutrient-dense foods, instead of expensive supplements, you're not only feeding your body, you're building a healthier, stronger future. So next time you reach for that scoop of powder, maybe try cracking an egg instead. Your body will thank you.